Gently move the fan blades of the aircraft engine by hand. You can see it, without any other power input. The shaft of the engine is steadily driven to rotate. This is enough to show how silky the bearings inside are. And not only that, and it can spin at 18,000 revolutions a minute. Lifespan up to 50,000 hours. How do you make it easy to use and long life? If the engine is the heart of an aircraft, then the bearings of an aero engine. How do you make it easy to use and long life? If the engine is the heart of an aircraft, then the bearing is the key to determining the life of the engine? Why do you say so? The power for an airplane to take off. It's just the engine shooting it backwards. Produced by high temperature and high pressure gas. Check the thrust carefully. This layer of leaflets is the key to compressed air, and this happens in stages, forcing air into increasingly narrow chambers. During this process, the rotor blades are spinning. Mating with stator blades creates pressure differential. Put the gas under high pressure. High pressure gas enters the combustion chamber. Mixing with fuel, then it is sprayed through a nozzle. The plane will get a strong thrust back. Have you ever considered? The engine is firmly attached to the aircraft. How are the internal components made? High-speed rotating work. Yes, the answer is bearings. It can be done without affecting the rotation of the rotor. Helps the engine hold the rotor system firmly. It's like a fan, compressor, turbine, etc. If you want to rotate, you can't do without the support of bearings. So that's it. Bearings are the key to determining the life of an engine. It looks very simple. The roller is sandwiched between the inner ring and the outer ring. Don't underestimate this design. Reduce the contact area between the roller and the raceway, thereby reducing frictional resistance. Bearing speed of 18,000 revolutions per minute. It may not sound like a concept, but the speed of the electric fan at home. The highest is only 600 revolutions per minute. The faster you turn is the centrifugal force generated, and the harder the pulling force will be. It is necessary to know that the force on the rollers and the bearing is not uniform. A little bit of inappropriateness in the layout design, silky rolling bearings will crack. This causes an engine abnormality,